angle are we finding? They say calculate angle BAC. So BAC, it is this angle right here. That angle right there. So if we are finding that angle right there, that means each side is this. So small a is this one. All right, small a is that. Then small c is that one. And small b is that. Okay? That's how it is. So we're going to use cosine rule. God help me. So we get to use cosine rule. I have to hold this phone in my hand like crazy, guys. Because if the moment please don't go off. Please. I've seen it. You're busy saying please, please, then boom, it goes off. Just give me a second, guys. The way I can be happy to anyone with an Android phone. Yeah? If you like donating a phone or you have a phone that you don't use, you don't know how much I can be so happy to have it. This is why I wanted to get a tablet, but my budget was too small. So let me just copy this question so that at least even if it misbehaves, we have a question to work with. You know, they say ask you shall be given. Maybe there's somebody with a phone that is just sitting around. They'll be like, you know what? I have a phone. I believe in such. I believe such can happen. Okay, then I have B. All right, so we are finding this angle right here. Okay, so now how do we get to find this angle? Because now we have only been given two sides, and the side for that angle, it is this called small a, and the side for that angle is called small b, and the side for that angle here is small c. All right, I'll take my time in explaining this, so please move with me. Okay, so have you seen it has gone off? So how we can find this angle? We use cosine rule, like I said, because only the sides have been given. So we say a squared, this side, is equal to b squared plus c squared minus 2 open bracket b times c, then we say cos capital A. Okay, that's the formula we get to use for cosine rule. So since this side is there, so we say 300 squared is equal to b is 45 squared plus c is 275 squared minus 2 open bracket 45 times 275. Then we say cos A, because this A is the one that you are looking for. So what we are going to do, we can easily transfer these to the left side, but this one is attached to that, so we can't transfer that. So by additive inverse, of course, it will be 300 squared minus 45 squared minus 275 squared is equal to negative 2 open bracket 45 times 275 cos A. So we can now compute this on our calculator. We can simply calculate that by saying 300 squared minus 45 squared minus 275 squared. And what are we getting? We are getting that. So we get to copy all that. All right, so we have 12,350. All right, 12,350 is equal to, then we can multiply that. So we simply say negative 2 open bracket, we have 45 times 275. We are going to get negative 24,750 cos A. But we want to know, we want to find A. So we get to make A to be the subject of the formula. So we are going to divide both sides by negative 24,750. Both sides, negative 24,750. So that and that can go. We'll remain now with cos A, all right, is equal to, then we can compute that on a calculator. All right, so we'll say 12350 divide by negative 24,750. Then we say equals, we have that. Okay, so now we have negative 0.498989899. That's what we have. Okay, so we want to find this angle right here. So we need to make A to be the subject of formula. That means you're now going to multiply both sides by 1 over cos, so that we get rid of that cos here. So even that side 1 over cos. So this and that will go. We will now remain with A is equal to. So this 1 over cos is the one that we get to write as cos inverse. All right, of negative 0.498989899. Now say A is equal to. So in my calculator, there's no need of me clearing this, then enter that. No, I'll simply just say shift cos, then answer. That means now this cos and my answer is this. I can simply now say equals. So my angle now is 119.9331947 in 1 dp to be 119.9 degrees.